In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit audio on Clipchamp in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or just starting out, Clipchamp offers a user-friendly platform to enhance your video projects with professional audio editing tools. To begin, launch your browser and head over to clipchamp.com, or you can find Clipchamp in your computer's Microsoft app list. The choice is yours. Either way, open Clipchamp, and if you haven't already, click on Sign In. When prompted, select Continue with Microsoft. This lets you access Clipchamp by signing in with your Microsoft account, a convenient step for a faster setup. Once signed in, you're directed to the Clipchamp homepage, where you'll see an option to create a new video. Go ahead and click on Create a New Video to start your project. With your blank canvas ready, it's time to add some media. Look for the Import Media button and click on it. This opens a window for you to drag and drop your video files directly into Clipchamp for editing. After uploading your video, you should see it appear in the media library within Clipchamp. Click on the video thumbnail to bring it into the timeline below. This is where you can make adjustments to your clips and, importantly, work on the audio. Now that your video is in the timeline, right-click on the video clip. In the context menu that appears, you'll want to click on Audio. Here you'll find an option to detach the audio from the video. By detaching, you separate the audio track from the video, allowing you to edit it independently. With the audio track now separated, navigate to Clipchamp's content library, which is located on the left side of the screen. In the library, click on Music. You have access to a variety of tracks that you can use to enhance your video. Browse through the selection and listen to previews to find the perfect track. Once you find one you like, click on it to add it to your media files. The next step involves adding your chosen music to the timeline. Return to your media section, find your selected piece of music, and simply drag and drop it into the timeline underneath your video's original audio. This gives you more options to mix and match the video and audio elements to better fit the mood and tone of your video. Finally, go to the right sidebar where you can adjust the audio settings. Here you can fine-tune the volume, trim the clip, and even apply fade in or fade out effects to smoothly transition between different audio segments. With these steps, you've successfully edited the audio in your Clipchamp project, making your video sound just as good as it looks. That's all there is to it for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy editing!